Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying to make slime. Okay, I'm bad at making slime. I don't get the point of making slime, but my mom's sleeping, and basically, if you wake my mom up, you're getting yourself into a whole lot of trouble. So I will catch back with you guys in a couple minutes, when everything's alright to make the slime. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. I'll catch back with you guys however long it takes. I'll tell you guys how long it takes after. I'll catch back with you guys right about. So it's like 40 minutes later, and as you can tell, it's pretty dirty downstairs. So it is not going to be dirty in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now everything is looking spick and span. So I'll catch back with you guys. And it was recently like 40 minutes ago when I unpaused this video. I'll catch back with you guys in however long it takes me to get stuff ready for this video. Yeah. Okay, leggedy boy. And even though I don't have all the material for this, but we're just gonna try, because we got some of it here. We only have half of this material, so I think we're gonna use paint. Okay, DIY fluffy slime without. Come on, give me it. No. Bored as freaking crap. We need to get this right. Get it right now. Work. You really need to work. Okay. We're going to find this video. Oh. No. Max, get out. Get out of my house, man. BRB, because this cat is making me. No. Okay, wait. Okay. First, we need to get this Argo. Okay. Holy crap. Spray this all over. No. Need borax. Okay. That was very frightening. I will get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so we in the lit kitchen right now, boys. Okay, so we I'll show you what to do. Okay, pour some in. I got it. Okay, first we're gonna pour some of this Argo in a bowl. See how it goes. Oh, my hair is. I'm sorry for ruining your Tupperware, Mom, but it's gotta happen. I mean, we should probably just use maybe this Tupperware, but we need a lid. See, the only problem, guys, is, you know what, let's just, this is too freaking small. Get back to you guys when I get this. Mission complete, we got the bowl. Now, basically what we do, we pour some of this in here with a spoon, I guess. I don't know, let's do it with a knife. There we go. Okay, wait, make sure we have Dawn. You know what, we don't have Dawn, but that's fine. Or do we have Dawn? I don't even know. Slime. So this is my first attempt at making freaking that slime stuff. I ain't about that slime life though. So we need to save some for the clumpiness of it. I don't know. Seems like enough. I don't know. That seems like enough. I don't even know. I guess that's enough. Yeah, it's enough. Then let's take this diggity dawn. Hot diggity dawn. Okay, we're not gonna use Dawn because I don't have Dawn. And then what we do next? Ah, crap. I did something. I lost the video. Go, Max. Go. The DIY slime video is. Okay, so we're gonna use this polymer. Oh crap. Oh, this looks bomb right now, though. Holy crap, this looks like it might actually be legit, though. Actually looks. I'm gonna get you guys a better view right now. Here we go. Look at it, guys. Looks so good. Looks so sexy, doesn't it? Okay, so we take this. Basically, we just like. Sorry, everybody who thought this video was actually making slime. This is just the cheapest way to make slime because I can't go out and get a whole nother bottle of Gillette or. Oh crap. Come on, come on. Don't be the end. Come on. Okay, wait, we're gonna go refer back to this video. You know what? We're just not gonna put my arms. Yeah, I'm trying to be artsy. Sorry, but I am no PewDiePie. We gotta make it work, though. We are so close to making it work. Maybe we just add a little more of this. Ooh, guys, I'm sounding like a slime expert, even though I've never had anything to do with it. Actually, wait, let's get you guys in on this view. Come on, stupid bottle of Jilla. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah. Come on, stupid crap. You know what? That's all we're going to get from it. So, we might as well just get off our hands and start stirring. I can't pause this video, but this is going to be some pretty small slime. But, you know, we're going to try it. Let me get some. Wait. Here we go. Let's get it. Wait. This isn't even slime, man. It's not even slime. Yo, this is clumpy, though. Very clumpy. Wait, attempting to make slime. Oh, attempting to make slime. Oh, gosh, I'm getting it everywhere. I have slime right now. Holy poop. Wait. I literally have slime. I thought this crap was fake. But heck no, it's not. Wait, let's add some more cornstarch. Oh! Like a boss, guys. We're doing this like a boss. The boss way is the only way to do it, guys. Yo! We lit right now, guys. Wait, let's see if the squad ready for some more Gillette. You know what? We don't even need no more Gillette, though. Maybe we should just dump the whole rest of this bottle in here. Oopsie. Oopsie, I made it a little bit more clumper doodle. Wait, you guys can't even see it right now, but it actually is slime. Okay, we're gonna put everything back and we're gonna let this slime sit for a minute, and I'll get back to you guys in a second when we actually get to see and play with the slime. Okay, are you guys ready for this moment? I sure know I am. Slime. Slime. Slurm. Oh, slime though. This is so... What? I need to wash this off. Yeah! It's like... Yeah! It's like Noah's Ark. Holy crap. This water is like Noah's Ark. Let's put this in something because I'm going to be mad because this is my first time making slime. And I made it like a boss. So we actually need to, let's just fill this in some more and make it seem like we're actually pro at this, even though we're not. We're like crap at this. Sure, Mom, won't you mind if we use this Tupperware temporarily, just to show this gooey mess up in here. Yo, I'm actually happy about the outcome, though, because I thought it was going to be crappy, but it's actually some pretty cringeworthy slime. And nowadays, cringeworthy slime is the best slime. So, Max, no, this is not food. Do you want to die? Because this will kill you. Because it's borax. So, it's not borax, but soap. I think it's worse than bleach. I don't even know, but no, I don't think it is worse than bleach, but still, it can kill you. And if it can kill you, then it's bad for you, obviously. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come on, get more of the slime, though. This is some freaking boss slime. I will admit that. I made some pretty dope slime. Some pretty cool slime, though. That cool slime, though. That slime life. Oh my gosh, my mom's gonna hate me for doing this. Holy crap, my mom's gonna be so mad. But, I'm gonna say, Mom, it's for the fans. She'll probably be like, I don't give a crap what it's for. You are grounded, Avery. So just know when this video goes up, I will probably be grounded. Oh crap, we gotta get rid of all this though. Because my mom is gonna be here. And my mom is gonna wake up at any second of the morning. Because it is the morning officially. Oh crap. This is not yogurt, guys. Yo, slime though. Holy crap, slime though. Oh, we actually got ourselves some Slurm right now. So Slurm was a go. It was a good job. We did a tremendous job. Congratulations. Worked so hard from Baja. Forgot how to vacation. But we're made of. Okay, now we got our slime in a box. Slime in a box, not slime in a box. Oh, I used to think the word slime was so cringeworthy. Now, like, I understand why people want to make slime. Because who wouldn't want to make this? I mean, I'm sorry, Mom. But we're going to go see if we can put this in anything. Because my mom's going to be mad. Making slime was a go. See you guys later. Bye.